takes a lot, it takes a lot of self-control to let go of control.
Mm-hmm.
In other words, it isn't easy for you to let go. In fact, it almost feels counter to what you're asking for. You're saying, I think I'm meant to do things that I'm not doing. That's the opposite. I'm meant to do things that I'm going to let myself do. Can you feel the difference? Determination.
Yes.
I'm going to heal myself. I'm going to set a goal. I'm going to figure out what to do. I'm going to be the best in the world at it. Upstream, 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 upstream. But when you say, my life has caused me to create it. I know it's waiting for me. My source is there not only tending to it, but being it. I can feel that I'm being called toward it. I don't know exactly what to do or where to go, but I can feel the call, and I know that as I relax more, that I will begin to translate the call of source into more real details where I will be able to identify and describe this wonderful creation more vividly.
That sounded magnificent. Thank you.
Just be easy about it. And so, we'll give you some really easy downstream thoughts that you can use all of the time. There's no rush is really a good one. There's no rush. I got plenty of time. Here's another one. I'm pretty good at this. Another. I don't have to figure it all out this red hot minute.
Oh, that's a good one.
Here's another. It's natural for things to turn out for me.
It is. Absolutely.
Another. When I feel like doing it, it's always fun. When I don't feel like doing it, it sucks.
Yes.
Here's another. The stream is the current. Law of attraction is the manager. And I am the willing, floating boat.
I am the willing, floating boat. Thank you.
Sort of gets it in the right perspective.
Yes, it
Good.
does.
Very good.
Thank you.
Yes, indeed.
Thank you.
Now what?